Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. When someone usually wishes to mention that something should not be taken literally in Portuguese, there is an expression which is used with much frequency. So it's really important for who studies or intend to learn Portuguese to know it. The expression in Portuguese is ao pé da letra. Ao pé da letra, which in English would literally mean to the foot of the letter. Generally used as levar algo ao pé da letra. Levar algo ao pé da letra, which in English means to take something literally. In an example, that would be: não leve tudo que você ouve ou lê ao pé da letra. Não leve tudo que você ouve ou lê ao pé da letra, which in English would be: don't take everything you hear or read literally. So don't forget, when you hear or when you will wish to tell someone not to take something literally in Portuguese, use the idiom ao pé da letra. If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.